In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cache everything on Cloudflare for faster speed. If you're looking to enhance your website's performance, reduce loading times, and ensure a seamless user experience, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Caching is a powerful tool for optimizing your site's speed, and Cloudflare makes it incredibly easy to implement. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully optimized site that loads faster for your visitors, no matter where they're located. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to -clatlager.com and log into your Cloudflare account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but this guide assumes you're already set up and ready to go. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which lists all the domains you've added to Cloudflare. Next, select the domain you want to optimize from your dashboard. This step is crucial because each domain has its own settings and configurations, so make sure to pick the correct one to avoid making changes to the wrong site. Once you've clicked on your domain, you'll be taken to its specific settings page. Now, look to the left-hand menu and locate the option labeled Rules. Click on that, and from the drop-down options, select Page Rules. Page rules are where the magic happens when it comes to customizing how Cloudflare manages your site's content. This is where we'll define the caching behavior for your website. Once you're in the Page Rules section, click the button that says Create Page Rule. This will open up a form where you can define the specific rule you want to apply to your domain. This is an important step because we're going to tell Cloudflare exactly how to handle caching for your site. In the URL pattern box, type in your domain using wildcards. For example, if your domain is example.com, you would enter example.com/the*. Here are wildcards, which tell Cloudflare to apply this rule to all pages across your domain. Be sure to replace example.com with your actual domain name to ensure the rule applies correctly. Now, under the section labeled Then the Settings Are, choose Cache Level from the drop-down menu and select Cache Everything. This setting ensures that all content on your site, including HTML, images, scripts, and more, is cached at Cloudflare's edge servers. This is what will significantly improve your site's loading speed. Next, locate the option for Edge Cache TTL, which stands for Time to Live. This setting determines how long your content will be stored at Cloudflare's edge servers before it checks back with your origin server for updates. Set this to your desired time frame. A common choice is 1 month, but you can adjust it based on how frequently your content changes. Once everything is set, click Save and Deploy to activate your new page rule. At this point, Cloudflare will start caching your site according to the settings you've just configured. However, there's one final step to ensure everything works smoothly. Go to the caching section in your Cloudflare dashboard, then click on Configuration and look for the option to purge everything. By purging the cache, you're clearing out any old, outdated content that might still be stored on Cloudflare's servers. This ensures the new caching rule takes effect immediately and that your visitors see the most up-to-date version of your site. Finally, visit your site and test a few pages. Pay attention to how quickly they load. You should notice a significant improvement in speed and overall performance. If everything looks good, congratulations. You've successfully set up caching for your site using Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.